remember everything like a first kiss. And when she said that she loved me, write that shit up in cursive. Summer's over, leaves fall. Yeah, cup on season, winter comes. Yeah, forget about the shit that we resolved. Talking bad energy that I'm not involved. Another day, another dollar, another motion. There's always something new here in LA. Okay, today we got a beach studio grand opening. Then we got a session tonight with my boy Rashid. And then I don't know what else is going on, but you know it's Jrose, so you already know it's gonna be a good
always
time.
Something going on.
Always something up, always something down, you know. Last night you saw I was in the studio with Dominique. I know you guys seen how we're making hits, okay? We got shit on the way, so you're not gonna want to miss out. Drop a like down below, drop a comment down below if you want to see more.
Kill him for that.
Because he's doing good?
He's doing any Swedish. You know what I'm trying to say? And then, if like people like us make music.
Reporting live.
Hey guys, it's Clarski. We're gonna go to In and Out. In and Out.
In and out.
In and Out. We gotta try it out because I've never had In and Out before.
And I've never had In and Out.
First time.
You already know where we're at. We're going to fucking In and Out.
In and Out. Woo.
In and out. Here we come, baby. First time in America.
Yeah, and it is what it is. Trapping ain't dead, promise never fold. So a nigga had to walk down. Yeah, that bitch on that pole. Rules to the game, promise never fold. Yeah, trapping ain't dead. So a nigga had to walk down. Yeah, that bitch on that pole. Rules to the game, money was the world now.
From the block to the stars, now I'm on my way. Fought through the night, now I get to see the day. No pain in my
Put your hands together.
It's fucking Shindy. Fucking Bensky.
Yeah.
You already know it's Jrose. We in the cut. We're suited up out here. You know, poolside. Poolside. Okay, look at that fucking view. You know what I'm saying? We got views out here. Okay, we're not playing around. I got fucking 2 days left in LA and we're not playing. Look at this kid. Look at this kid strutting. Look at him go. Hey. Yo, if any fine shorties are looking for a man, you know, right here is a prime candidate. You know what I'm saying? 2 more over here. We got lots to offer, you know what I'm saying? Let me get this view though. Once again, I'm suited up. You know, I already know how this shit goes.
When I say go, you say go, 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 go.
Let me be the one that you can speak to. Be your feeling, see through. I would not deceive you. Girl, don't make me lose out of leave. Can't go like a fever. I'm not telling all they reliever.
Yo, appreciate y'all. Shout out something dope. Shout out Rolling On. Even though I'm running up all the time, same fucking I ain't got no other option. This the only way to go. Stop playing with me. Fuck it up. I got bass stop. I'll let it slide if you say it the least. You try to hit me like too late. Shit on my
Curving niggas, you can't get better yet. I'm fucking on you niggas. Buy it like a buy. Yeah, little bitch, she loving it. Why you niggas like I'm shaky, pumping shit, but it's an act. Always talking this and that. It's my sweat, give it back. It's my friend, it's just fact.
No, I ain't with all. No violence, I silent shots in your area. never needed. I write these verses for reasons I really just respond to what's up. My niggas think they ill, but they mean what's up.
This nigga.
I'll keep in touch with you. Put my feelings on a budget and I make the same plates from the bench trying to stop it. Forgot what it's like to have substance, now I'm suffocating. Going on vacation just so I can run from these problems. Listen to that voice tell myself I ain't got them. Drugs hurt my soul and it's love do too. Things ain't been the same ever since I saw the bottom. And all I ever wanna do is make my parents proud. Fucking up in high school, trades and hand-me-downs. Drugs up in my locker, in my head, up in my clouds. Couple choices in my hands, all I want is break a pound. We just tryna make it up the fucking same place. We treat the fucking summers like a saving grace. Travel across the world, that was like an amazing race. Got me thinking about my nation, leave without a trace. Like, oh, know you like my style. Baby, switch it up, said I like your smile. Know it's been a while, so I wrote this down. Know you like this now, and ooh, baby, like my style. Know it's been a while, and I can't let you down. And if I ever let you down, just know I don't try to. And I live every day that I can die too. And I know I said some things permanent, just like a tattoo. My biggest fear is payment money, probably kill me overnight. Keep the stress out of mind, out of sight. Coping mechanisms, write it down and recite. Talk from insecurities and let's just keep it light. Like your parents getting separated early, you gon' learn to ride and fight before you learn to ride and bite. All these lies and snakes all around me. Death wish on my head like a bounty. Have fake friends set me up and try and down me. When it's all said and done, hope this liquor don't drown me. Still let them talk on me, yeah. And behind your back, that's when they gon' stalk on you. I don't really see a difference, niggas bitches, they just wanna start drama. I don't trust them cause they walk funny, and I don't really like to think about it too much. They only fall in line like it's too clutch. Watch from the back, then they quit the judge. Look behind your back, then they wonder why we don't do trucks. Ooh, baby, like my style. No, it's been a while and I can't let you down. And she's so beautiful, she got my head stuck too much. Got me thinking I can do love. Got me thinking like too blush. Can't tame us wild out when you show up. No, she by my side when I show up. Ooh, yeah, she like my style. Yeah, and I can never forget all the times we had to forfeit. Rule of thumb, use some pressure, then go get so close to the sun. Hope we don't burn. Wake up every day, spend the money that I earn. And I'm not concerned about these problems that surround me. Politics and war, I just stay inside the boundary. Like cash rules everything, and that's how it's always been. Don't know where I'm headed, but I know this where I've been. The road has been embedded in this bouquet since. Took 1,000 lots of slow, we only stopped to count the wins. So to meet me at the finish line, I said I could hold you down through the winter time. And thanks for asking, told you that I've been fine. Yeah, I told you that I've been fine. Ooh, baby, like my style. No, it's been a while and I can't let you down. Let you down.
Yeah, Jrose!
Make some motherfucking noise in this bitch. Hey, once again, my name is Jrose. You can find me on all streaming platforms at J-Rose. On Instagram, the real J.Rose. But come and meet me. I want to meet all of you, so come trap in with me.
I will end up like chopping the sample and then I'll put it into a kit and I'll play it individually and then I'll sidechain it to my kick. And I'll make sure everything is mixed.
But like, how do you find what keys are playing? Like, are you a music theory god or what?
No, I'm not a god, I'm more of an apprentice.
Okay, nice.
But like, fucking, the melody's in F minor, so I just went on Splice and looked for shit in F minor. You know what I'm saying?
Yo, Tony, what just happened?
Jrose filmed the video for my vlog, yeah? The shit was crazy.
No, but where were we just in? We were in the studio.
We made a song called On God. But look, see, there's a video of me taking a video of Jrose.
There's a vlog and a vlog. We're out here, Los Angeles, Hollywood, Vine, you know what I'm saying?
Vine Street Clothing Department.
We up, you know. Fucking, we just made a hit outside. I'm about to go to another studio. My boy Mike, we're about to lay down some shit. Yeah, you know, stay tuned. New music's on the way. New content on Instagram. I'm gonna have, you know, Tony's Instagram linked below. Yeah, wait, say it again.
At Real Tony Newberry.
At Real Tony Newberry. You know what I'm saying? We got hits on the way, so, you know, whatever you need, we got it, all right? So, yeah, lock in with us.
Because I'll be there beside you. You ain't gotta let me go. So, baby, can you let me know? Oh, I'll be there to guide you. You ain't gotta let me go. So, baby, can you let me know? Oh.
Yeah, never thought it'd be me to be the one. Yeah.
You do something. You never see my side and you just lost me. Baby, learn how to trust me. No, you can't live without me. No, you don't gotta worry, because I'll be there beside you. You ain't gotta let me go. So, baby, can you let me know? Oh, I'll be there to guide you. You ain't gotta let me go. So, baby, can you let me know?
Green light, and it's toxic when it goes bad. And she said she love my throwbacks. Baby girl, spin wild that. No, I hate to really look back. Silence in the air like how. And I miss your smile. See palm trees for miles. Got me tripping, I've been tripping for a while. Really can't describe how I'm feeling when I'm in my zone. Used to sit that cut when I'm feeling low.